TV.
Moko kuom hotende ma pachoka oyango ni ohala osebedo maber higani kiyango ni maerie higa mokwongo tok midhusi mar COVID-19 ma koro ohala ochako time maber. E nyasi mar ikruok mar chako nyasi mar sikuku, jalup jatend weche mag ohala e hotel ma Safari Park Samson Mwangangi oyango ni gimor kod chal mar kaka ohala medo dhi maber e hotende higani.
It has been a great year. We've enjoyed good business. It's actually the best year post-COVID. And at Safari Park today, we are actually doing our second Christmas tree lighting ceremony. And during this occasion, we have also invited our top supporters so that they can come and celebrate with us. Today also marks the beginning of our festivity season, where we have quite a number of activities that are lined up. We have a number of artists, even as you can see around here, quite a number of them. And we are all ready to give our guests a celebration of a lifetime. And at Safari Park this evening, actually, we are showcasing all the various outlets that we have, because we understand that our clients visit various outlets at different times.